idea is called the zoo hypothesis. We might be like animals in a cosmic zoo, being observed. Are we searching enough? Projects like SETI are listening for alien signals. But we've only searched a tiny fraction of the sky. It's like trying to find a fish in the ocean by testing just one glass of water. Final thought. So what's the truth? Are we alone or just early? The universe is quiet but maybe not empty. And one day, we might finally get an answer. Question 1. If the tiger disappears from forests, what will happen first? Herbivores' population explodes. Rainfall stops immediately. Trees grow faster. Rivers dry overnight. Answer. Herbivores' population explodes. Question 2. If bees disappear from Earth, what will be the biggest impact? No honey only. Crop production collapses. More flowers grow. Oxygen increases. Answer. Crop production collapses. Question 3. If vultures disappear completely, what will happen? Increase in wild dogs and diseases. Forests become cleaner. Soil becomes richer. Nothing changes. Answer. Increase in wild dogs and diseases. Question 4. If frogs disappear from an ecosystem, what is the most likely result? More rainfall. Plants stop growing. Mosquito population explodes. Rivers dry up. Answer. Mosquito population explodes. Question 5. If elephants disappear from forests, what will happen long term? More trees grow evenly. Grasslands vanish instantly. Oxygen level drops suddenly. Forests lose biodiversity. Answer. Forests lose biodiversity. Question 6. If bats disappear, what will happen first? Oxygen level drops. Mosquito-borne diseases increase. Forests vanish. Rain stops. Answer: mosquito-borne diseases increase. Question 7. If wolves disappear, what will happen? Overgrazing destroys forests. Grass grows faster. Soil becomes richer. Nothing changes. Answer: overgrazing destroys forests. One who is known as the father of the Indian Constitution? Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Jawaharlal Nehru. Mahatma Gandhi. Answer: Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. 2. The term biodiversity hotspot was given by Charles Darwin, Rachel Carson, E.O. Wilson, Norman Myers. Answer: Norman Myers. 3. Which of the following rivers flows through a rift valley? Ganga, Yamuna, Narmada, Brahmaputra. Answer: Narmada. 4. Which river is known as the sorrow of Bihar? Kosi, Ganga, Yamuna, Brahmaputra. Answer: Kosi. 5. Who discovered gravity? Albert Einstein, Isaac Newton, Galileo Galilei, Nikola Tesla. Answer: Isaac Newton. 6. Which is the smallest continent in the world? Europe, Antarctica, Australia, South America. Answer: Australia. 7. The currency of Japan is 1. Yen, dollar, peso. Answer: yen. 8. Which gas is most abundant in Earth's atmosphere? Nitrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide, hydrogen. Answer: nitrogen. 9. Which organ purifies blood in the human body? Heart, liver, lungs, kidney. Answer: kidney. 10. Which vitamin is obtained from sunlight? Vitamin A, Vitamin B, Vitamin C, Vitamin D. Answer: Vitamin D. 11. What is El Nano? A natural warming of Pacific Ocean water. A type of cyclone. A volcanic eruption. A type of earthquake. Answer: a natural warming of Pacific Ocean water. 12. During El Nano, which region may face drought? South America, India, USA, Europe. Answer: India. 13. The concept of judicial review in India is borrowed from which country? USA, UK, Canada, Australia. Answer: USA. 14. Which of the following is the correct order of soil types in India from most fertile to least fertile? Alluvial black laterite, Black alluvial laterite. Laterite alluvial black. Alluvial laterite black. Answer: alluvial black laterite. 15. Which one of the following pairs is correctly matched? Bhimbetka, Maharashtra. Hampi, Karnataka. Ajanta, Gujarat. Konark, Tamil Nadu. Answer: Hampi, Karnataka. 16. Who among the following was not a member of the Constituent Assembly? Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Mahatma Gandhi. Jawaharlal Nehru. Sardar Patel. Answer: Mahatma Gandhi. 17. The term repo rate is associated with taxation, agriculture, banking system, foreign trade. Answer: banking system. 18. Which of the following gases is primarily responsible for global warming? Oxygen, nitrogen, carbon dioxide, hydrogen. Answer: carbon dioxide. 19. Which schedule of the Indian Constitution deals with anti-defection law? 7th schedule, 9th schedule, 11th schedule, 10th schedule. Answer: 10th schedule. 20. Which one of the following is not a fundamental right? Right to equality, right to freedom, right to property, right to constitutional remedies. Answer: right to property. 21. The Blue Revolution is related to milk production, fish production, agriculture, oil seeds. Answer: fish production. 22. Which of the following organizations publishes the World Development Report? World Bank, IMF, UNDP, WTO. Answer: World Bank. Where are all the aliens? Billions of galaxies, trillions of planets. So tell me, where is everyone? If aliens exist, why haven't we seen them yet? The universe is unimaginably huge. Our galaxy alone, the Milky Way, contains over 100 billion stars. And many of those stars have planets. Scientists have already discovered thousands of exoplanets, some even Earth-like. With so many chances for life, aliens should be everywhere. The big question. In 1950, physicist Enrico Fermi asked a simple question. Where is everybody? This question became known as the Fermi paradox. If intelligent life is common, why is the universe so silent? Theory 1. Aliens are too far away. Space is not just big, it's unbelievably vast. Even light takes years to travel between stars. Maybe aliens exist, but they are simply too far away. Their signals may never reach us or arrive after thousands of years. Theory 2. The Great Filter. Another idea is the Great Filter. Somewhere in the journey from simple life to advanced civilization, something stops most species. It could be extinction, war, or environmental collapse. Maybe aliens existed, but didn't survive. Theory 3, aliens are watching us. Some scientists suggest something even stranger. What if aliens know about us, but choose not to contact us? This idea is called the zoo hypothesis. We might be like animals in a cosmic zoo, being observed. Are we searching enough? Projects like SETI are listening for alien signals. But we've only searched a tiny fraction of the sky. It's like trying to find a fish in the ocean by testing just one glass of water. Final thought. So what's the truth? Are we alone or just early? The universe is quiet but maybe not empty. And one day, we might finally get an answer. Question 1. Which Indian village is divided between two countries, with a house having rooms in both nations? Longava, Turtuk, Dhanushkodi, Kibithu. Answer, Longava. Explanation, Longava village in Nagaland lies on the India-Myanmar border. Question 2. Which Indian railway station has no official name? A station in West Bengal. A station in Rajasthan. A station in Bihar. A station in Odisha. Answer, a station in West Bengal. Explanation, near Bardhaman in West Bengal, there is a railway station without an official name. Question 3. Which Indian city has houses painted blue mainly to repel heat and insects? Jodhpur, Jaipur, Udaipur, Bikaner. Answer, Jodhpur. Explanation, the blue color reflects sunlight and was traditionally associated with Brahman homes. Question 4. Which Indian city is home to the world's largest sundial? Udaipur, Jaipur, Jodhpur, Varanasi. Answer, Jaipur. Explanation, Jantar Mantar in Jaipur has the world's largest stone sundial. Question 5. Which is the highest post office in the world, located in India? Tawang, Leh, Sikkim, Kargil. Answer, Sikkim. Explanation, Sikkim Post Office in Himachal Pradesh is located at about 4,400 meters above sea level. Question 6. Which Indian place has a temple where rats are worshipped? Pushkar, Madurai, Ujjain, Bikaner. Answer, Bikaner. Explanation, Karni Mata Temple in Bikaner is famous for thousands of sacred rats. Question 7. Which Indian river is considered the cleanest? Ganga, Yamuna, Teesta, Amgot. Answer,